How to make meditation videos for YouTube. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can create meditation videos for YouTube and earn a lot of money. So I'm over here onto YouTube and I'm looking at all these different types of videos, right? All these videos, some of these have like meditation videos, right? And they all have millions and millions of views, 16 million views. And over here at the top, this video had like 318 million views. This is like a 3 hour long video as well. So that's a lot of views. And the other ones as well, like in between, we can see we have all these other videos and they all have like millions of views, which is insane. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create that for your own channel and you can make money online using this method. So first things first, a couple of websites that I want to tell you guys. First up is Pixels, right? Now this is a pretty amazing website where you can get like free stock footages or videos or whatever. And when we can use those videos to create a pretty amazing meditational video. But the next step, what we need to do is we can source our footage from over here from this website. The next thing we need is audio. So for audio, we have some options. So we can either go to YouTube library, or we can go to Epidemic Sounds, or we can go to Epidemic Sound. So these are two amazing options over here right now. I'm just creating my account for the audio library, and there we go. Okay, so now it's done, and these are all like free videos, copyrighted free, songs, that copyrighted free, audio that we can use onto our videos because they're from YouTube itself. So it's pretty amazing. And same with Epidemic Sounds. It's somewhat free, but you can get some pretty cool, amazing audio from this website. Or we can use the third option, which is called Pixabay. Now Pixabay is also a pretty free website, pretty amazing free website, and it also has an audio feed library as well, which we can use, and we can download our background music from this option. So now we have our footage and we have our audio sources. Now the third thing we need to do is we need to find a software that we can use to make a video. So for me, I'm going to be using Adobe Premiere since I already have it and I've been using it for quite some time. So I'm going to use that. But if you don't know how to do it, you can use other online tools as well. You can even make it on Canva, I believe. You can do that on Canva as well. And there is another software that came out recently, I think last year, which is called DaVinci Resolve, and it's a completely free software. You can go ahead and download that and you can use that as well, whichever one you feel like it. For now, for me, I'm going to be using Adobe Premiere. The process is going to be exactly the same, so don't worry about it. The interface might be different, but the whole process is going to be the exact same way. So first things first, we need to find our stock footage. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to search for, let's just say right here, and I'm going to switch to video. All right, so as you can see, we have quite amazing videos right here. We can download pretty much all of these, and all of them look pretty nice and relaxing as well. But I think something is missing. Let's just go with space for now. Okay, there we go. Yeah, like these types of videos. Yeah, I think this one would look pretty amazing. Let's let it load for a little while. Yeah, I think this would look pretty amazing. Yeah, let's go ahead and download this one, and let's find some other ones as well. Something relaxing, peaceful as well. So what about this one? These are like clouds, right? Yeah, I think this would look pretty nice as well. So we can go ahead and download this one as well. So this is how you basically gonna do it. You're gonna keep downloading these smaller clips. All right, something like this type of clip, which I downloaded recently, like this one, and you can loop it. Just loop it, and there you basically go. After that, you can just keep adding different music at the background, then your video will just keep going. So I think it's pretty cool. I think it's pretty nice. So this is how you basically do it. Let's go ahead and add some beaches as well. So we have all these different types ones. This one looks pretty nice, I think. Yeah, this one looks really good. So we can go ahead and download this one as well. And once we have that, let's now go over to the audio section. So over here, let me just find some different audios and I'll download them and I'll show you. So if I search for meditation, okay, wait, this is the video section. Okay, where do I search for it? Here we go. Search for meditation. Okay, rain fuse. Let's see. You know what? I'm gonna download this one. So to download the music, all you have to do is hover your mouse over here, and over here on the right side you will see the download option. Simply click on it and you can just simply download the audio. There you go, and that's it. Now we have our footage and now we have our audio. Let's go ahead and combine it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up my Adobe Premiere, and once I have opened it up, we're gonna go ahead and edit this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a new project. I'm gonna call it meditation. I'm going to call it meditation and click on OK. And I'm just simply going to go ahead and import my video files that I have. Wait a couple of seconds for the Premiere to load up. We just copy paste them into our, our media folder. And after that, we just have to, drag them over here onto our timeline. And we'll just go with this. And we'll just go with this. Okay, this one had its own audio. Let me just go ahead and delete that real quick. So I'll just put this over here. And I'll put this over here. And there we go. Now what we need to do is we need to add our audio, right? So our audio. And then we just, add in our music over here. And there we go. For that, we'll just go ahead and listen to it, how it basically looks like and feels like. And then we'll basically be done. So as you can see over here, the video is playing and it's pretty nice. It looks pretty good. The music blends in really, really well. Now, what you need to do next is you need to keep finding these types of videos and make it a longer video so that people enjoy it, right? Like smaller videos are okay, but it's pretty simple. Now, next, what we need to do is we'll just export this video, okay? I'm just gonna export it out here and I'm gonna call it meditation. I'm going to go ahead and export the video, and while I will catch you guys in a little bit as soon as the video has been exported. Okay, so the video has been exported. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Play it for you a little while, but I mean, it's like 5-10 seconds, right? As you can see, it's pretty subtle. It's really nice, the music is blending in pretty simply. Like nothing too fancy is going on over here, and the sky is moving. I think it's a pretty nice video. They both blend in very well, and as you can see, I did basically nothing. All I did was just find the clips, I joined them and put the music behind it, and the rest, it's doing it itself. As you can see, it's pretty simple. It's pretty amazing. It's really beautiful. It looks really nice and it looks pretty soothing as well. So that's what you have to do basically. It's really simple. It's really easy. All you need to do is just find the videos, find the right music, and just join them together, and that's basically it. So that's basically it. That's how you create motivational videos for YouTube. And after that, you can just simply upload it onto YouTube or onto your channel and start earning money. So to upload this video, all you have to do is go to your YouTube channel and create your account, and over here you will see you have the upload video icon. Just simply click on it, wait a couple of seconds for it to load up, and over here all you have to do is select the files that you want to upload. So for me, it was over here, it was this one right here. So all I have to do is just simply select it and click on select file and wait a couple of seconds for it to load up. Over here, all you have to do is just enter in a very catchy title, add in a description and tags and stuff like that. Then maybe, wait a couple of seconds for the thumbnail, or if you want to upload your own thumbnail, that's fine too. But usually YouTube will pick a thumbnail from its, from the video itself. After that, you can just select the audience or whatnot, and is it made for kids? No, it's not made for kids. I think kids can watch it, but generally kids don't like to watch this stuff, so we'll just say no, it's not made for kids, and then just simply click on upload, and then just simply click on next. And as you can see, it's uploading as of right now, and the upload has been complete. Now it's just processing. So that's basically it. Just simply click on next and your video will be uploaded, and that is basically it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. Having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.